In this video, we are going to take a look at using the Blackboard Ally pane to view the accessibility scores of items in your course and see how we use that pane to get assistance with fixing any accessibility issues. First, log into Blackboard and click on the course you wish to work with. Next, go to the area where you have content that has accessibility issues flagged. Find an item that you're going to work with and click on the indicator to the left of the item. The Ally pane will open on the right side of your screen. With this pane open, you can view the accessibility issues in the content. For an item that has multiple issues flagged, you can click on the All Issues link in the Ally pane to view each issue. Next, if you click on the Fix button for an issue, you will see for what this means and a button for that explains how to fix the issue, unless of course that is an item that Ally does not provide instructions for, such as color contrast. The What This Means button will explain why the issue is necessary and how to use the feature that is being addressed. The button for How to Fix the Issue will allow you to choose the software you are using to develop the content and then provide detailed step-by-step instructions for how to fix what is wrong with the element identified. Once you have addressed all of the issues with your document, you can use the Ally pane to upload the corrected file. If you use the same file name that you used for the original file, the old file will be replaced in your content collection with the corrected version. This is recommended to keep your content collection file size small and eliminates you from using inaccessible files in the future.